This video provides an overview of the measurement and verification, or M&V module, in the new 3.0 version of eProject Builder. The M&V module allows EPB users to enter, review, and approve annual M&V and post-installation verification data. Additionally, users can output annual and cumulative M&V reports for their projects. The M&V module is only available for projects that are in approved status. This means that a project must have had its final proposal information entered, submitted, and approved before the M&V module will become available for that project. However, projects that were approved but have since been unlocked by a project initiator for further modification by the project builder and are in pending or pre-approval status also link to the M&V module. To access the M&V module from the portfolio page, navigate to the project dashboard by clicking the action icon and then dashboard, or by clicking the project name. Once the project initiator has approved a project in EPB, a link to the M&V module will appear on the left-hand sidebar of the project dashboard for the project builder. The Next Steps box on the project dashboard will also indicate when a project is ready for MMV data entry. The project builder may now begin entering post-installation verification, or MMV information. Note that the MMV terminology will be replaced with Performance Assurance, or PA, for Utility Energy Service Contract, UESC projects, but the functionality of the module remains the same. To navigate to the MMV module from the project dashboard, click the Add MMV Data button, or click MMV on the left-hand sidebar. Project builders are responsible for entering and submitting annual MMV data. Project initiators are responsible for reviewing MMV data and approving it. Project viewers have the ability to view MMV years that have been approved by the project initiator. Project builders can enter MMV data in one of two ways. First, they can enter MMV data for individual performance years through the online user interface. This approach is recommended for users who wish to add MMV data for 1 or 2 project performance years. Or they can upload data via the MMV upload template. This means downloading the MMV upload template, populating it, and then uploading it. This method is recommended for users who wish to add multiple years of MMV data for a single project. There is a bit of a learning curve to using the MMV data upload template, but if you have multiple years of data to enter, the upload template can be more time effective than entering data through the user interface. This video only covers method 1, entering MMV data through the EPB user interface. For more information on using the MMV upload template, please refer to the MMV module user guide document on the EPB help and documentation page. The MMV summary table lists all of the performance years for which MMV data has been entered, as well as the due date, the date it was submitted by the project builder, and the date it was approved by the project initiator. It also lists the status of a given MMV year, pending, pre-approval, or approved. As you can see, this project already has several years of MMV data entered. We can see that year 0 is an approved status, meaning that the project builder has submitted the post-installation verification data and the project initiator has approved it. Year 0 is a post-installation verification period, for which the project builder enters expected annual savings based on the post-installation report. Year 0 also contains a field that captures the actual verified savings for the implementation period. Year 1 is the first year of M&V, or in the case of a UESC project, the performance assurance period. For years 1 and on, the project builder enters the verified savings information. You can see here that year 1 data is in pre-approval status, meaning that the PB has submitted the M&V data for that performance year, but the PI has not yet approved it. When M&V performance years are in approved or pre-approval status, the project builder is not able to make any additional changes to the data. Since we are the project builder on this project, you can see on the action menu that we have 2 options: View or View MMV Report for that particular year. To add a new performance year, click the Add Performance Year button. Pick the desired year from the drop-down list. This list will only display the remaining years in the contract that haven't already been added to the M&V summary table. Click OK. Year 2 has now been created. Since this M&V year is in pending status, the project builder can enter or edit data for this performance year using the Action menu. For each M&V year, the project builder can enter data at the project level, the ECM level, or both. Users navigate through each section, completing the relevant data fields as they go. Note that the only field that is required for submitting an M&V year is the MMV Report submitted date, shown here with the required field indicator and outlined in red. All other fields are optional. The ECM section has pre-populated all of the project ECMs. To add M&V data for a particular ECM, click View/Edit under the Action menu. Enter data for relevant fields as necessary. Once you've added the relevant M&V data, go ahead and click to the third step, Submit. Now click Submit M&V Year for pre-approval. That M&V year is now in pre-approval status, awaiting approval from the project initiator. Now that the project builder has submitted data for an M&V year, it is ready for the project initiator to review and approve. The project initiator can navigate to the MMV module by either clicking View Approve M&V Data on the project dashboard or by clicking the MMV module on the sidebar. To view and approve an M&V year that is in pre-approval status, click View on the Action menu next to a particular performance year. Note that the PI can also unlock an M&V year for additional editing if requested by the project builder. The project initiator can navigate through the various tabs and review the M&V data entered and submitted by the project builder. To approve the M&V data, go to the last step and click Approve, and then click the Approve button. Then click OK. Returning to the M&V summary table, we now see that the M&V year is in approved status. To view an M&V report for an individual year, click View M&V Report next to that M&V year. To view a cumulative report for all M&V years, click the Cumulative Report button. This concludes the overview of the EPB M&V module. For more information on the eProject Builder M&V module, please visit our Help and Documentation page and review the full M&V guide.